Welcome children, welcome to Refresh Concepts. Now we move further with division of polynomials. Now children, when we say division of polynomials, there are two ways to work out division of polynomials with. One is with the help of actual division and one is with the help of synthetic division. Both will be explained to you in our videos. Here we are starting with by actual division. What example we have taken over here is a polynomial is getting divided by binomial. It can be monomial also, but I found monomial being very easy. So the best example which I can make you understand how to divide a polynomial with a binomial, right? So our question is x cube minus 7x plus 6 getting divided by x minus 2. We start off with actual division, children. Now what I want to tell you right now, please carefully listen, right? Always write down the dividend that is given polynomial in standard form. Now when I say standard form, the standard form of polynomial will be said in this way: ax raised to n plus bx raised to n minus 1 plus c x raised to n minus 2. In short, we are moving in the descending order of the degree of the variable, right? So if I check here, the highest degree is 3. What is the immediate degree of the variable x? It's 1. Nothing mentioned means 1. So which degree is missing? Degree 2 is missing. So that's what I want my children to always write down, the standard form. SF means standard form. SF means standard form. What is the SF of this polynomial? X cube. Now I don't have degree 2, but I will write down plus 0x square minus 7x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. Now those who feel that, sir, by writing 0x square, are you changing the question? Indeed not. By no means I am changing the question, right? By saying plus 0x square, my sum doesn't get changed. But why am I doing this will be got to know in a couple of minutes. Let's start with the division of polynomials. As we used to do in our class 3, class 4, the division of numbers by actual division, on the same lines is what we draw and write down the dividend here. X cube in the standard form, mind you, x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 6. Dividend out here, x minus 2. So now we start our actual division. Kindly pay attention, children, to whatever I say. If you follow the same instruction, you will always get division by actual division in a right way. So we start now. Always take the first term of the divisor and the first term of the dividend. Always, mind you, always. The first term of the divisor and first term of the dividend. Now ask yourself, what? X into what will give me x cube? X into what will give me x cube? X into x square will give me x cube. I shall write down x square here. X into x square will give me x cube. That's one way of saying. What could be the other way? There are many who might do in this way also. X cube here divided by x 1 times square times. But I would rather not prefer that every now and then we divided it in rough column and do it, right? I prefer the way in which I stated. X into what will give me x cube? X into x square will give me x cube. Now please follow this. Always multiply whatever we get in the quotient with the entire divisor. Means x square into x is x cube. And the same thing should be multiplied with the second term also. As I said, whatever you get in the quotient should be multiplied with the entire binomial. So x cube into x is x square into x is x cube. X square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Now there are many who must have understood why had we written in standard form. Had I not written over here 0x square, where would I have placed minus 2x square? So if our question would have been x cube minus 7x, now it's a pattern, it's a method that we have to multiply this. Don't you think so we would have got minus 2x square? Had this portion not been there, where would I have kept this minus 2x square? So I hope now you got it. I hope now you got it why we are having this. Right, children? Now what is the next thing? Always go for subtraction. Always go for subtraction. So when I say subtract here, here I shall say plus. Now sir, what makes you say that? Whenever we go for subtraction, sign changes. Whenever you go for subtraction, sign changes. So since it was minus here, the new sign is effective is plus. Here there was no sign, so we have taken this minus. Now it is the new signs which will come into effect, not the older one. So how we are going to say? We are going to say x cube minus x cube. This gets cancels off, mind you. What next? Plus 0x square plus 2x square. The new sign being effective. Answer is plus 2x square. Bring the second term down. It is minus 7x. Minus 7x. Now repeat the same thing what we have been doing up till now. Cycle is the same. X into what will give me plus 2x square? X into plus 2x. X into plus 2x. 2x into x is plus 2x square. Plus 2x into minus 2 minus 4x. Change the sign. So this is minus. Since here it is minus, I shall take plus. Now, did not show all those circles out here. You just need to tell yourself that the new signs are effective. Plus 2x square minus 2x square gets cancels off. I can say this got cancels off. It is minus 7x plus 4x. Minus 7x plus 4x. It is minus 3x. Bring the next term. Plus 6. Cycle goes the same way. X into what will give me minus 3x? X into minus 3 will give me minus 3x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6. Change the sign. Here it is minus, so I make it plus. Here it is plus, I make it minus. New signs are effective. So minus 3x plus 3x gets cancels off. Plus 6 minus 6 gets cancels off. We are left with remainder 0. We are left with remainder 0. Right? Now we need to write down in dividend, as we are aware, dividend is equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is dividend? Dividend is x cube. Need not write down in standard form now, children. Need not write down in standard form. X cube minus 7x plus 6 is quotient. Our quotient is x square plus 2x minus 3 into divisor. Divisor is x minus 2 plus remainder. Over here, the remainder is 0. Not every time the remainder is 0. Here, the remainder is 0. So even if you don't write down, it's okay, fine. You can write down this as x square plus 2x minus 3 into x minus 2. Right, children? So learn how we go for division of polynomials by actual division. Synthetic division is also there. That is also being taught to you. Right? You will see in my further slides how division by synthetic division takes place.